So, what I discussed, Tree Talk Biodiversity Awareness Program. This campaign was launched on 19th December 2010. You can imagine. And it is still continuing. So, today it is 1467th interaction. Tree is just a symbol of life. But you have traditions associated with the trees. You have history associated with trees. You have vegetables which you get from many trees. For example, kachanar ki kali. For example, kathal, which is jackfruit. You have semal also. Semal is also edible. Even in China and Hong Kong, it's tender fruits. They are edible. Even its flowers are also boiled. They can also be consumed with the health benefits. So whatever, when I talk about forest foods or the foods procured from the wilderness, it has the double benefit. One is you have different taste as per the seasons. Different seasons, different tastes. Second is some extra nutrition you are getting. Otherwise, in routine, you are taking wheat, rice, cauliflower, potato. But sometimes you are also able to get kachanar. Gwalmanda is peculiar to the Dogra land of Jammu, Shivaliks. Gwalmanda, what is Gwalmanda? Basically, in Hindi, it is, or English also, it has been named after cow's lips. Cow lips. Cow's lip flower. Also known as Tonkin jasmine. So in jasmine, you have many jasmines. Jasmine, which we call as chameli, that is also jasmine. There is a word malti, that is also jasmine. Juhi, that is also Arabian jasmine, which we call khantalu, that is also jasmine. And this Gwalmanda is also a kind of jasmine, which usually you find during monsoon time. Its flowers are edible, quite thick like lips of cow. So it got its name as cow's lip flower. It is fragrant also. It is also cultivated. So, launch of this Tree Talk reflected my passion and you can say the sharing the knowledge with the younger generation and inviting even the folk healers, hakims, Ayurveda practitioners, Unani hakims, farmers, shepherds, fisher folk. Because this domain is so complex, there might be some person who knows something more about mushrooms, more than me. Snake charmers. Even you have the snake names. Can you name a snake? So, with the local names. Dogri names of few snakes, 4 snakes. One is very important, which is usually we find in water bodies, near drinking bowlies, even paddy fields, even ponds. Huh? Gana, okay, but I am referring to Gana is very good. Gana is saw-scaled viper. Gana is saw-scaled viper. Achis carinatus. Achis carinatus is its zoological name. Saw-scaled viper is its English name. Guna is its Dogri name or Hindustani name. Some may call it as Gunas also. And this is deadly poisonous. But other snake which I was referring, water snake. Water keelback. In English it is also called a keelback. Water keelback because it prefers to live inside water, near water bodies. But its another local Dogri name is a Tinnu. Tinnu. Eh? Which snake? What you name and told? Blee? Maybe like earthworms? Blind snakes, they are, maybe. Andha Samp. I think maybe you are referring to same. This my size, or maybe double. Small. Biscle is another. Biscle is earthworm. I don't know whether snake is different and earthworms are different. Earthworm is also called a biscle, gandua, salkua. That is earthworm. But they don't have a backbone. रीढ़ की हड्डी नहीं होती earthworms में. But सांप are backbone, with backbone. They are vertebrate animals जिनकी रीढ़ की हड्डी होती है और आगे से उनकी जो टंग है वो भी बाइफर्केटेड होती है और उनकी लिम्ब्स नहीं होती हैं, लिम्बलेस हैं, दे क्रॉल, है ना. सो वी हैव कोबरा, नाग, एंड इट इज ओनली इन हिमालयाज, स्पेशली इन भद्रवा वेयर यू हैव नाग पूजा, बासुकी नाग, एंड देन वी हैव पैड़ देवता, शेषनाग, तख्त क्या है, तक्षक, नाग तक्षक, so many. But that means we had our culture associated with even snakes. And there are snakes which are also named as tree snakes. They also climb on the, for example, even rat snake. Rat snake is very fast running snake. It even climbs on the trees. There are also tree frogs. And it is only in India where we have a frog temple. One temple near Lucknow. Lakhimpur Kheri is a district and Oil is village where you have more than 300-year-old Shiva temple on the platform which looks like frog. And frogs are also controlling the mosquito population. They are helping us. But because of indiscriminate use of insecticide, pesticide, land use change, we have devastated the population of frogs. So ultimately malaria may go out of control. So we should think of these creatures as they are also helping us in creating that kind of environment where we are free from many diseases. And if we spoil or destroy these friends, then definitely we may have to face more diseases like corona. And we found new frogs which were representative of dinosaur times. Jurassic film movie was there. So dinosaur time means they are perished, large giant-sized reptiles. Now no more seen, only fossil evidence. So we could see one frog of that time from Kerala, and which was named as Nasica batrachus after the hill range Sahyadriensis, which is also named as Mahabali or Jurassic time purple frog or pig-nosed frog because its nose is peculiar. So scientific name was coined after nostril or nose, Nasica. Batrachus is the name for frog. Latin name for frog is Batrachus. So it has peculiar nose, so it was distinguished from other frogs as Nasica batrachus. And it was reported for the first time from Sahyadri Hills. It was named after Sahyadri. If we find some new species from Trikota Hills, it can be named as Tricotensis. There are some insects which we found from Bahu. They have been named as after Bahuensis. For example, one is Oxyrhacus, tree hopper. Some insects with cow-like horns, and they are on shishim tree, for example. But for the first time, the discoverer, Professor Baldev Sharma, he reported from Bahu range, Bahu forest. So it was named as Oxyrhacus bahuensis. Then he is hailing from village Thalodi near Birpur, Badi Brahmana. He hails from a village which is called as Thalodi. He found another tree hopper which was named as Ujulina thalodiensis in reference to Thalodi village. Likewise, from Mansar we got some new creature which was named after Mansar as Mansariala. It's a small, very small, half centimeter or even smaller than that. It looks like umbrella with 8 tentacles hanging like this. It used to be there. Now you have a lot of carp fish. And overcrowding carp fish, I don't know. One should go again to see whether that creature is still there or not, which was named for the first time in 1976 after Mansar as Mansariala lacustris. From A to Z, only 26 alphabets. A for Amla, but A is also for Andamans, and many of the unique species of mango or birds we find they are only in Andamans. For example, Andamani mango, found only in Andaman, nowhere else on this earth. We have Andamani green pigeon, a unique green pigeon, which we called Preu in Jammu. We have Preu, even in this Jammu city. You will find it on visiting the people, Bargad, Preu. We call it as Preu in Dogri. In Hindi it is called Preva, also called a Hariyal, green pigeon. Many species of green pigeon. But Andaman green pigeon is unique, which is called endemic. Some plant or animal or flower which is found only in some restricted geographical location, that's called endemic. ऐसे ही हमारी ब्रैंकड़ है, जम्मू की ब्रैंकड़. And there is another ब्रैंकड़ which was named by the chief conservator of forest, Richard Henry Bedome, which has been named as Bedomi ब्रैंकड़. In Dogri I am telling you. Otherwise, scientific name is Justicia bedomii. So where you have mentioned this ब्रैंकड़, you can mention one another species found in South India is unique, endemic to South India. Ye ब्रैंकड़, it is also there, but this is unique. Then B for what? B for biodiversity, B for bird diversity. So B also for Baheda, very important. C for Kari Patta, we talked about that. D for Delvergia, Shisham. E for Eek. Eek is equally important, Ganna. Even it is used in worship, religious ceremonies, and source of sugar. And it also provides a refuge to many birds. Then you have F for forest, no doubt, but F also for finches. They are small, colorful birds called finches. And Darwin's finch is very important. The person who wrote the book on the origin of species, how species are evolved. So in that, he was impressed by particular finches, which are named after him as Darwin's finches, which he thought same finches, but on closer examination, scrutiny, they found each beak is specific to eat from different area of the plant. For example, this is a plant, one plant. Some finches have that kind of beak, they can eat only, they were restricted to the upper canopy. And some other finches, they are left for the middle canopy, and some for the lower branches. And there was a fourth or fifth type of finches which were not eating directly from the trees. Their beak and their adaptation was eating from the ground. So how the God has also divided the resources. And accordingly the birds and animals, they have adapted their bills and paws like that. So G is for, you can say, the golden eagle. There's many eagle, bearded vulture, eagles. Even Jatayu was a kind of eagle which we find mentioned in Ramayana. H is also for, you can say, Herityra fomis. There's a Sundari. You must have heard Sundarban. It is in Bengal location. Why it has been named as Sundarvan? One means forest. Sundar means not beautiful. There's a tree which is called Sundari. Herityra fomis, its name. That is a unique plant, tree, found in Bengal. So that Bangla name is Sundari. And it is in dominating that forest, so it got its name as Sundari. I is for Iora. Iora is a blue colored bird, beautiful bird, blue Iora. But I is also for Indian night jar. There are some birds which are seen during night time. Dogri mein we call it as Shapaki. Night jar in Dogri is Shapaki. So on one hand you have an English name night jar. On other you have the Hindi names as well as Dogri name Shapaki. So we are, but particular Shapaki which I told, unique, that is from Andaman. Andaman night jar or Andaman green pigeon. So many species which are common here, and if we compare with those found in Andamans, they will be unique. They will be endemic. Endemic means a restricted distribution. J is also the name of the bird. Common J. J is a bird name. Also another ornithologist who contributed a lot, who is called Jerdon. Jerdon. Jerdon was a great bird watcher. He studied birds of India and he reported first bird which was seen after a gap of 100 years in 1986, second time. And now people say almost it was declared extinct, khatam ho gaya hai. but still there are some hopes. It might be surviving, but then surviving only 100 individuals left or 200. It is called as critically endangered Jordan's courser. This is found only in Andhra Pradesh. It is again endemic, and at the same time population is so low, less than 200 means critically endangered. It is an ICU, intensive care unit, you can say. J, after J you have K. K is also for kilo deaths. Species come and go. They are replaced in nature also. But because of our human interference, industrialization, pollution, we are losing species at very faster rate. And that rate stands multiplied by 1,000 times. And that particular rate, as scientists have given the name, kilo deaths. Kilo deaths means the species we are losing. It is just said when I started my lecture, and now I am about to finish. Within this 1 hour also, one species stands vanished from some part of the globe. Somewhere, it may be in America, it may be in Europe. And some species, even we don't know its name, or we are not familiar with that. So that is called kilo deaths. KL. L for what? L for, there are, L is also for Lemurgier. Lemurgier is also kind of bearded vulture. Bearded vulture has two English names. It has black stripes. It's a very vulture kind of bird. So it is very difficult to say Jatayu was which particular bird. Sometimes it's golden eagle, sometimes it is looks like this Lemurgier or bearded vulture. But that is very difficult to discern because it's a very old story. And that textbooks without any colorful photograph and no DNA sample is very difficult to pinpoint exactly. But that shape looks like this. It was some kind of vulture, which we refer as Jatayu. So L, after that you have M. M is for mint also. But you have monkeys also. And we have lot of diversity in monkeys. And it was only monkeys which helped us in knowing the RH factor. You know, in the blood, there's especially after marriage, there's a problem. If it should match. For example, even blood donation, it should match. Like that, in blood, there is a RH factor. Why it has been named as RH factor? It was Landsteiner blood groups. And RH factor means RH means rhesus. Because for the first time we got this clue by studying the blood sample of the monkey. So we have given it a name as RH factor. N is night heron. N for those creatures which we see in night. Night heron, night jar, even Nyctanthus, night jasmine, Nisha chameli, जो हमने बोला पारिजात. O is for owls. लक्ष्मी की पूजा करते हैं पर काला जादू भी करते हैं. So many people kill also. This is very bad. Otherwise they are controlling the rodent population. They also need trees to roost. And they have compartmentalized. कुछ परिंदे जानवर दिन को खाना ढूंढेंगे, कुछ रात को ढूंढेंगे. P for parakeets and parrots. सिकंदर का parrot. सिकंदर जब आया था, he smuggled many of the parakeets to Macedonia from Punjab. Including Punjab means Punjab province. That includes Jammu also. And that particular parakeet was named in honor of, in commemoration of, in remembrance of Alexander's invasion, and he smuggled that Alexandrine parakeet. हम उसको मानसरी तोता भी कहते थे. Seticola. P. Q for what? Q for queries, question. You must ask question to yourself, to your elder, to your teachers, to learn and grow. Without queries, your canvas will be limited. Your field of understanding will not be that vast. After Q you have R. R is also for rat, but in Indian culture, even rat is connected to Lord Ganesha. There are temples dedicated to such locations where rats are free to roam inside the temple. And even they are offered laddus also. But Porcupine is also a rodent. Rat is also a rodent. Porcupine, sehi. And there is a flower also named after porcupine, which is called porcupine flower. And in Sanskrit called Bajradanti. Bajradanti ka Dantkanti. In that particular plant is added. इसको बोलते हैं Bajradanti. But in English called as porcupine flower. और S for but, साल का बहुत important वो है, साल परनी, which is a dash mool. We have 10 plants which are used in Ayurveda, and one is Shal Parani. Sal Parani basically. Sal is another tree. Very important tree, and many tribals in central India, they worship this tree. But S is also for shawl. So there was one particular Tibetan antelope which was used for making that shawls. जिसको बोलते हैं shawls of death. Because if you want that shawl, so you have to kill the animal to get the wool. Very soft fleece from that creature. And that creature is seen in Ladakh and Tibetan plateau. Tibetan antelope. And then Supreme Court ruled and it was prohibited. That trade stands banned now. But still, some people might be using it illegally. U for what? U for almus. Almus is a tree basically. In English we call elm tree. So this is also stands preserved in many sacred groves in Kashmir. Even in Manu. It is also called as Manu in Pahari language. This is also tree. And V for, you have many plants. Valeriana is more important, which is called as Valerian in English, which is Mushkbala, Khushbu. So for many hair oils, its Khushbu roots are used as incense, hair oils. W is for what? There are birds which has been named after W as wax wings. Y is also for yellow. So you have yellow oleander. I don't know you have added or not. It is growing in your campus with yellow bells, golden colored. It is a poisonous plant. Have you added this? In this? I have forgotten, although I saw all the entries, but I know yellow oleander. But there are also buntings, yellow-breasted bunting, which is critically endangered. I stands included in red data book. जिन प्लांट्स एनिमल्स के ऊपर खतरा है, खतरे की घंटी है, आज हैं तो कल बचेंगे नहीं बचेंगे, उनको रेड डाटा बुक में एंटर किया गया. सो वन इज येलो ब्रेस्टेड बंटिंग. ऐसे ही ग्रेट इंडियन बस्टर्ड भी है. दूसरा राजस्थान में 200 के आसपास भी इंडिविजुअल नहीं बचे हैं. फिर हमारे पास बंगाल फ्लोरिकन है, ये भी क्रिटिकली इंडेंजर्ड है और इसको भी रेड डाटा में डाला गया है. सो बहुत से परिंदे और प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स हैं. फिश ऑल्सो, जैसे महासीर है, महासीर जहाँ पैर देवता में माथा टेकने जाते हैं. दिस इज फाउंड इन आवर स्ट्रीम्स, बट बिकॉज ऑफ हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक डैम कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रोजेक्ट्स इट इज डिक्लाइनिंग. जेड इज ऑल्सो फॉर जू. जू में गए हैं आप, जो नियर बाई मांडा जू. और जू इज ऑल्सो फॉर दिस लिली, रेन लिली, you have added in this Zephyranthes. So Zephyranthes में you have 2-3 species. White flower Candida, Zephyranthes, grandiflora is pink. I don't know which one you have collected or planted in this campus. So I think this was a nice interaction with you today.